Step 5. Mumbai. You will learn Mumbai, its location and climate, food, clothes and festivals, industries and institutions, places of tourist attraction, transport in Mumbai. Come Minnie and Riddhi, we will have pav bhaji in breakfast. Do you know it is a famous dish of Mumbai? Yes, mummy, I know this. Tell us about some more dishes of Mumbai. Yes, there are many famous dishes of Mumbai. These are bhel puri, vada pav, misal pav, poha, puran poli, and Shrikhand. Teachers note, talk about location, climate, culture and tradition of Mumbai. Mumbai, earlier Bombay, lies on the west coast of India facing the Arabian Sea. Mumbai is the capital of state of Maharashtra. The governor, the chief minister and the other minister of Maharashtra live in Mumbai. Most of the state government offices are located in Mumbai. Mumbai is the commercial and financial capital of India. Climate. The climate of Mumbai is moderate as it is located on the sea shore. Summers are warm and humid with pleasant winters. Monsoon months from June to September experience heavy rainfall. Food, clothes and festival, pav bhaji, bhel puri, vada pav, chedwa, Shrikhand, etc. are some of the famous dishes of Mumbai. The people of Mumbai wear both traditional and western dresses. The traditional dresses of men are dhoti, petha and cap. Women in Maharashtra wear sari with choli. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival celebrated in Mumbai. All other festivals like Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Navratri, Good Friday, Eid, Dussehra are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Fact frame. Dharavi is the biggest and high-priced slum located in Mumbai. Language. The native language of Mumbai is Marathi, but people of all over India live and work here. So they speak different language like Konkani, Hindu, Urdu, English, etc. Theatre and art galleries. Mumbai hosts plays and cultural performs some of the famous theatres like Prithvi Theatre at Juhu, Dinanath Nattagurua at Vileparle, and the theatres at the National Centre for the Performing Arts (NCPA), Nariman Point. These are two public art galleries, the Jahangir Art Galleries and the National Gallery of Modern Art. The Asiatic Society of Bombay is the oldest public library in the city, built in 1833. Industries and institutions. Mumbai is one of the most important industrial centers of India. It has many textile industries and petroleum refinery. Mumbai High is one of the most important petroleum field in India located in Mumbai. Mumbai is famous for the television and Hindi film industries, popularly known as Bollywood. Mumbai is home to important financial institutions such as Reserve Bank of India, the Bombay Stock Exchange, the National Stock Exchange of India, and the corporate headquarters of numerous Indian companies and multinational corporations. It has India's premier nuclear institute like the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Nuclear Power Corporation of India, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Indian Institute of Technology and others. Places of tourist attraction. There are many places of tourist attraction in Mumbai. The people from all over India and world visit here to see them. The Gateway of India, which stands at the entrance of the port, is a historical landmark of India. The places like the Marine Drive, Juhu, Church Gate, the Zoo, Essel World, Hanging Garden, Haji Ali Dargah. The Siddhivinayak Temple, the Mount Mary Church are the main attraction for the tourists in Mumbai. There are many beaches in Mumbai like Chowpatty, Versova, Marve and Juhu. About 10 kilometers from Mumbai are the Elephant Caves. These are a collection of cave temples. These temples are mostly dedicated to Lord Shiva. The Trimurti of Elephanta is famous all over the world. It has 4 temples which have been engraved from large blocks of stone. They are called rock-cut temples. Transport. Mumbai is well connected by air, sea, trail and road. People live a fast-paced life here with very little time for other activities. The local train are the lifeline of Mumbai and the most preferred mode of transportation. Local bus service run by BEST is also very popular. Taxis and autos are also quite efficient and run at responsible rate. It has an international airport need, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. It is close to Santa Cruz. It also has 2 major ports, namely Mumbai Port Trust and Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust. Recall, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It lies on the west coast of India facing the Arabian Sea. The Chief Minister and all the other ministers of the state government have their offices in Mumbai. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival celebrated in Mumbai. It is one of the most important industrial center of India. There are many places of tourist attraction in Mumbai. Mumbai is well connected by air, sea, rail. The correct option